Welcome to Brookwood. HHHunt Homes is proud to offer a new construction community in Moore County, North Carolina, featuring single-family homes from our Smart Living collection. The homes are situated on approximately half-acre lots and offer 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 car garages, and more. Designed with you in mind, these homes offer granite or quartz counters, oak stairs, large ceramic showers, and the latest in luxury vinyl flooring. The community is located near Highway 22, just minutes from downtown Carthage and Whispering Pines. Carthage is a great town to live in with quick access to local attractions and top schools. Nearby attractions include Pinehurst Resort, Southern Pines Brewing, and the Bear Creek Trail System. Plus, Fort Bragg is located only 31 miles away. So if you're looking for a beautiful new home in Moore County, look no further. HHHunt Homes has you covered in Brookwood. Learn more at hhhunthomes.com.